GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journeys start now. Hello, English learners. Welcome to your podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today, we talk about saying no. This is very important at work.
Yes, saying no is hard, but you can learn it.
Do not worry. We speak slowly. You can follow us.
Let's learn together. Start now.
Do you know why we need to say no at work? Let me explain.
Good question, Anna. Please tell us more.
We say no when we have too much work. Too much work makes us tired.
Yes, when we have too much work, we cannot do a good job.
That is true. Doing many things at once is not good.
If we say yes to everything, we get very tired and stressed.
Stress is not good for your health. We need to stay healthy.
Saying no helps us have time to rest and relax.
Is rest important for you? Think about this.
Yes, rest makes us stronger and happier at work.
And when we say no politely, people still like us.
That is very important. We want people to like us.
Saying no does not make people angry if we are polite.
Polite means using nice words like please and thank you.
Great. Now we understand why saying no matters.
Yes, it helps us work better and stay happy.
How do we say no in English? Let me teach you some ways.
Yes, I want to learn these phrases.
First way, I am sorry, but I cannot do this now.
That sounds very polite. I am sorry shows we care.
Yes, I am sorry is a very important phrase.
Say it with me. I am sorry, but I cannot do this now.
Good. You sound very polite.
Thank you. This is fun to practice.
Second way. Thank you for asking, but I am busy.
Thank you for asking is so polite. People feel good.
Yes, adding thank you makes the no softer.
Practice with me. Thank you for asking, but I am busy.
Excellent. You are doing great.
Third way. I would like to help, but I have other work.
I would like is a very polite phrase, right?
Yes, it shows we want to help, but we cannot.
This is very useful at work. Practice it.
Let me say it. I would like to help, but I have other work.
Perfect. These three ways are very helpful.
Which one should I use? Do you have advice?
All three are good. Choose what feels comfortable.
Practice all three. Then you can use any of them.
Now, we practice saying no to a coworker. This is very common.
Yes, coworkers often ask for help. We need to say no politely.
I will be Sarah. You will be Mike. We work together.
Okay, I am Mike. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you, Sarah. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. What is wrong?
I have a problem. Can you help me with this report?
Let me think about how to say no politely.
Try the first phrase. I am sorry, but I cannot do this now.
Okay. I am sorry, Mike. I cannot help with the report now.
Oh, okay. No problem. Can you help tomorrow?
Let me try another phrase.
Yes, use the second phrase. Thank you for asking, but I am busy this week.
Thank you for asking, Mike, but I am busy this week.
That is great. You sound very polite.
Thank you. Can Mike ask someone else?
Yes, Mike can ask John. He is also in our team.
Good idea. Asking someone else is okay.
Thank you for understanding, Sarah.
Of course. Thank you for asking. Good luck.
Great job, Anna. You are a pro at saying no.
Thank you, Jack. This was fun practice. Now we practice saying no to a boss. This is harder, but important.
Yes, bosses sometimes ask a lot from us. We need to be polite.
I will be the boss. You will be the employee. Okay?
Okay, I am ready. Hello, boss.
Hello. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I am well, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. I need to talk to you about this weekend.
What about this weekend, boss?
I need you to work this Saturday and Sunday. Can you come in?
Oh, I need to say no politely. Let me think.
Take your time. Use what you learned.
Thank you for asking, boss. I would like to help, but I have family plans.
Family plans? What kind of plans?
My family is visiting this weekend. We have dinner plans.
I see. Can you come on Sunday instead?
I am sorry, but Sunday is not possible. Can I come next weekend?
Let me think about this.
Is the boss thinking? I should wait.
Okay, next weekend is fine. Thank you for letting me know.
Thank you, boss. I appreciate your understanding.
Good job. You said no politely and explained why.
Was that good? I was nervous, but polite.
Yes, being polite is key. Always explain why you cannot do something.
I will remember this. Thank you, Anna.
We learned 3 ways to say no. Let me teach you more.
More phrases? That is great. I want to learn.
4th way, unfortunately, I am not available.
Unfortunately is a big word, but very useful.
Yes, unfortunately means sorry about something.
Example. Unfortunately, I am not available this afternoon.
Perfect. Say it again.
Unfortunately, I am not available this afternoon.
Great. 5th way, that does not work for me.
That sounds very natural. When do we use it?
When someone suggests a time or plan that does not work.
Example. That does not work for me. Can we try another time?
Exactly. 6th way, I have a prior commitment.
Prior commitment means I already have something planned.
Yes, it sounds very professional.
Example. I have a prior commitment this evening.
Excellent. You are learning so many phrases.
These are all very useful. I will practice them all.
Practice makes perfect. Do not worry about making mistakes.
I will practice every day. Thank you, Anna.
Saying no can be hard. Do you feel nervous? Let me help.
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous when I say no.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes, but we can get better.
What can I do to feel more confident?
First tip, take a deep breath before you say no.
Deep breath helps me calm down. Good tip.
Second tip, speak slowly and clearly. Do not rush.
Yes, speaking slowly makes me sound more confident.
Third tip, look at the person. Eye contact is important.
Eye contact shows respect. I will try this.
Fourth tip, smile. A smile makes everything easier.
Yes, a smile is like a magic trick.
Fifth tip, say thank you. It makes the other person feel good.
Thank you is so powerful. I love this tip.
Third tip, be firm but kind. Do not change your mind if you cannot do it.
Being firm is hard, but important. Thank you for the tips.
You can do it. Believe in yourself. Now we learn key words. First word, polite.
Polite means being nice and respectful to others.
Example, please and thank you are polite words.
Another example, she always speaks politely to everyone.
Say it with me. Polite. Polite. Good.
Next word, sorry.
Sorry means you feel bad about something.
Example, I am sorry I am late.
Another example. Sorry, I cannot help you right now.
Say it. Sorry. Sorry. Great.
Next word. Busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Example. I am busy today. Can we talk tomorrow?
Another example, she is busy with her work.
Say it. Busy. Busy. Excellent.
Next word, help.
Help means to make things easier for someone else.
Example, can you help me with this task?
Another example. I need some help with this project.
Say it. Help. Help. Great job.
Next word. Respect.
Respect means to think highly of someone and value them.
Example. We should respect our coworkers.
Another example, my boss shows respect to everyone.
Say it. Respect. Respect. Perfect.
Next word, boss.
Boss is the person in charge at work.
Example, my boss is very kind and helpful.
Another example. I need to ask my boss for permission.
Say it. Boss. Boss. Good.
Next word. Coworker.
Coworker is someone you work with in the same place.
Example. My coworker is friendly and nice.
Another example, I eat lunch with my coworkers every day.
Say it. Coworker. Coworker. Excellent.
Next word, weekend.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. It is time to rest.
Example, I relax on the weekend.
Another example. What do you do on the weekend?
Say it. Weekend. Weekend. Great.
Next word. Family.
Family is your mother, father, brothers, sisters, and relatives.
Example. I spend time with my family on Sundays.
Another example, family is very important to me.
Say it. Family. Family. Perfect.
Next word, understand.
Understand means to get the meaning of something.
Example, I understand what you mean.
Another example. Do you understand this lesson?
Say it. Understand. Understand. Well done.
Last word. Confident.
Confident means you believe in yourself and your abilities.
Example. I feel confident about my English now.
Another example, she is confident in her work.
Say it. Confident. Confident. Amazing! Question 1. Do you sometimes say no at work? Yes or no? Think about it.
Take your time. Think about your answer carefully.
Question 2. Is it hard for you to say no? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
It is okay if it is hard. Practice helps.
Question 3. Do you feel bad when you say no? Yes or no? Think about it.
Remember, saying no politely is good for everyone.
Question 4. Do you use I am sorry when you say no? yes, or no? Think about your answer.
I am sorry makes your no sound polite.
Question 5. Does saying no politely help you at work? Yes or no? Think about it.
Polite no keeps good relationships with coworkers.
Question 6. Do you practice English every day? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Practice every day makes you better.
Question 7. Do you have a coworker? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Coworkers are part of our work life.
Question 8. Do you respect your boss? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Respect is important in every relationship.
Question 9. Is your family important to you? Yes or no? Think about it.
Family should always be important to us.
Question 10. Do you want to learn more polite phrases? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Learning more phrases makes you more confident.
Question 11. What do you do on the weekend? Think about your answer.
Weekend is time to rest and enjoy life.
Question 12. Who do you work with? Think about your answer.
Knowing your coworkers is important.
Question 13. Do you like learning English? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Learning English opens many doors.
Question 14. Will you try to say no politely? Yes or no? Think about your answer.
Trying is the first step to success.
Question 15. Do you feel more confident now? Yes or no? Think about it.
You should feel proud. You learned so much today.
Great job today, English learners. You worked very hard.
Yes, I am so proud of you.
You learned how to say no politely. This is very useful.
Remember the key phrases. I am sorry. Thank you. I would like.
Practice these phrases every day. They will help you at work.
Do not be afraid to say no. Be polite and confident.
Do you feel more confident now? I hope so.
We believe in you. You can do it.
Keep learning English every day. It is worth it.
And keep practicing saying no politely.
Thank you for listening today. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Take care. Learn well.
Goodbye, everyone. You are amazing.
See you next episode. Keep up the great work.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.